What is going on, YouTube? This is Glenn2142 here. As you notice, I'm not in my bedroom. I'm actually doing a surprise for my sister. Something that she probably would never. She would probably do this a little bit, but not as much as I'm doing it. But when I came in here, her room was a mess, and I'm actually cleaning it up for her. Look at it. I done wiped down that. Oh, that's my mud jug up there, by the way. I was dipping. There's a vacuum. I gotta use it. I still got a vacuum. I just see on the floor. I put a lot of the stuff that was just laying around in the baby basket because I don't know what to do with it. But I organized up there, over there, and I still gotta close it all the way. Yeah, there ain't nothing much in it. Then I wiped that down. I also hung that picture up. Found the car keys, put them up there. She ain't here. And as you see, there's no sheets on the bed. Got 409 and a rag here. And then I just now wiped this off. And then I organized that, but I'm still gonna wipe that off, and then I'm gonna take on, and then I gathered up all the mail and stuff. And now I fixed the little lamp cover up there, but I gotta take all that back off and wipe it down. But I'm also washing actually, be honest, this bed that I'm on right now, a long time ago when we were in the old house, this used to be my bed and that used to be my dresser. Matter of fact, I'll show you guys the bed. This used to be my bed. Drawers, head thing, and that dresser used to be mine. When we were living in the other place. But I'll do a video later on today of my room and how big my bed is now. My sister's older than I am, but you know. But anyway, yeah, this is just a surprise for my sister. I'm also gonna make her room smell better if the 409 doesn't do a good job at it. But there's also other reason behind why I'm cleaning it. Like, I have my reasons. It ain't nothing to do with my sister, but I have my reasons. Anyway, well, this quick video, and I just want to show y'all guys how nice of a brother, how nice of a brother I am, doing this for my sister. But anyway, that's it for this video. I'll show you guys the room one more time, and show you guys how far I gotten on it. Anyway, this is Glenn2142 sign off after this. Alright, y'all, this is Glenn2142 sign off. Later.